what are the advantages of the OQLIS Business Intelligence as a service offering?
Because of our price offering and our price structure, how we license the software, I think it's a very low cost investment in the beginning, specifically if you want to kind of try the software out. We have a really cool model that we've recently started to employ across specifically new customers, where we essentially have a try before you buy policy. The concept there around is that we kind of enter into like a POC with a customer, build something that they're trying to achieve, prove that our software works to solve their business problem, and then the licensing kicks in. It's also, you don't specifically need to go and procure servers or virtual machines in your private or public cloud. You can essentially just switch OQLIS on, connect to a database, and you can start visualizing your data.